Pipe it up. Bump it up, bump it up. Bump it up, bump it up. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video of mine. This is just going to be a quick update on today's market. I have made a lot of drawn liquidity videos in the past, but there's one thing that I always forget to mention. What I'm talking about is equilibrium and how important equilibrium really is. Now, if you're confused on what equilibrium is, what you do is you find your premium and discount Fibonacci extension, and then the middle point of this is what we call equilibrium. Okay, now a lot of people, when they look for the draw on liquidity, they only look for where we have liquidity, where are we displacing from, right? What are we delivering from? So in this case, we are delivering from a gap here. And so a lot of people would automatically assume that after this leg here, this is going to be the next draw, right? But that's kind of hard to determine, right? Because why this gap and not this gap right here? And that is where equilibrium comes into play, because ICT has stated multiple times that price is either drawn towards liquidity, inefficiencies, or to rebalance towards equilibrium. And that is what a lot of people fail to understand. They completely disregard the equilibrium. And so in this case, right, why is this gap so significant? Why is this gap better than this one? And that is because if we draw from the swing low here to the swing high, this gap is the only gap that is in complete discount, right? Half of this is in discount and half of it is in premium. So we came down, rebalanced towards this gap because it is a discount gap, and that is to be expected after a huge move up like this, right? I will give you an example of today and how I called out exactly what the drawn liquidity was. Only using equilibrium. You have to combine highs and lows and what gaps we are violating and which ones we are holding with equilibrium, right? Always take premium and discount into consideration when trading. And I just see so many people not taking it into consideration, and I promise you it is ruining people. Too many people are longing in a premium and shorting in a discount, and it's just messing with you. So right here on the daily chart, right, we have premium up here and we have discount. What did price do after a huge rally up into a premium? We came back down, visited discount, hit a discount array, and then moved back out and created a range, right? And again, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about with an example of today where I called out where the next drawn liquidity was. Okay, so I was sitting on Discord with some of my boys, and a lot of them wanted to long up here, right? After a huge rally up like this, you should not be long in this. And that is exactly what I was telling him. I told him that, okay, yeah, we had this huge move up, but that does not mean that we are going to continue to go up. I told him that we are probably going to rebalance towards equilibrium and then find our way higher, right? And if we pull out the tool from the low to the high, what did we do? We came down, rebalanced towards equilibrium. We took out the buy stops inside of the discount, and then we moved higher again and creating a new range, right? But the point of this small, fast video is to make you understand how important equilibrium is, because so many people are just forgetting about equilibrium for some reason and only looking at, you know, highs and lows and Peter rays. But you fail to understand how important discount and premium is. I even shared a video on my Twitter, or actually it was a YouTube short of a Wall Street veteran saying that the market is pushed from a premium and into discount. Now, he is obviously not an ICT trader, and that just goes to show how important equilibrium really is. So in this case, I would not be able to tell that these two lows here was the next drawn liquidity without it also being near equilibrium. And that is also how I find a lot of my trades. As soon as we hit equilibrium and we had this displacement leg up, that is when I wanted to look for my longs. Unfortunately, I did not see what I wanted to see here on the move up, so I did not catch anything. But I did catch a few things today, and we can also quickly run over that. So as you can see, I had a short here from here and until here. I took my profits at this low actually. So this was the trade that I just took not so long ago, and we can quickly run over what I saw. Again, it had something to do with equilibrium, and I will show you exactly what I mean. So if I draw it from this high to this low, what did we do? We moved from a premium down into a discount, then we move up towards a premium. Then we hit a premium array, right? Then we came down with displacement, and then we closed below this swing low here, creating a bearish breaker block on the 1 minute, and that allowed me to enter 4 shorts, right? And it played out perfect. And yeah, I probably should have held that trade, but these last couple of days has not been very great. A lot of people lost a lot of money, especially if you were watching ICT's live streams. Luckily, I am not a person that takes a trade based on someone else's opinion. But ICT, I believe he took 7 trades and lost 6 of them on live, so that was kind of crazy. So these past days has definitely been tough, but the point of this video was really just to make you understand how important premium and discount is, especially the 50% level, which we call equilibrium, right? Because when we see a move like this, it's so obvious that we go from a premium to a discount, back into the premium, and then create a new range, right? Exactly as we did on the daily chart, right? We came from a discount up into a premium, then down, tap discount, and then created a new range. And it's just so important, and I really want a lot of you to focus on that. I know a lot of people just seem to forget it, and I don't see a lot of people include it in their day-to-day trading because they kind of forget how important premium and discount is. But it is really one of the most important concepts that ICT ever came out with. Now, I'm sure he actually did not, you know, found premium and discounts, because I know a lot of Wall Street traders uses it as well. But yeah, just a quick raw video on how important equilibrium really is, and it shows, right? It is just there every day in the market. We go to a premium, discount, premium, discount, premium, discount, premium, discount, and that's just how the market moves. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned to understand how important equilibrium really is. Again, fast video, very raw, not a whole lot of editing, maybe a few cuts here and there, but yeah, that's about it. Stay blessed.